Welcome to the video. This video shows you how to use the if then else formula in Excel. You may have a situation whereby you have a data sheet which compiles it to a table, and then you want to have the average price of two items. For example, you bought price 1, you bought at 70.672, the amount you bought is 12. Price 2, 42, the amount you got is 13. Now you want to know the average price. So in this case, you'll simply come to this section where you have you come to the cell where you want to display the average, and then with like any other formulas in Excel, you'll start by typing the equal sign. To get this average, you obviously get average of price, you'll have price 1 plus price 2 average, and then you get it. In a simple terms, if price 1 and price 2 is displayed here, obviously the most simple term is to just press average. Not press, type average. Once you type about how the average formula in MS Excel works is that you don't have to go through the long process of saying sum of A4 plus C4, and then you divide by 2, which obviously will give you the average at 56. Now, what you can do instead of going through the long process using the sum function, of course, using the sum function is one of them to get the average. You could use just the average formula, which equal to average, and then the open and close symbols. Once you open and close, the MS Excel will give you the process that you should follow. So you just need to identify the cell where each word is. In this case, I have a cell like average of B. No, we want to look for price 1. So average of A1, then separate by a comma, and average of C. No, actually, I've written a 1, which is this one is supposed to be a 4. Sorry, a 4 and average of C4. And then you close it. I think then it will play it out. Right? Yes. Now, in a situation whereby price 2 is not provided, let's say we have just a 0 written there, or just nothing written. So in a situation like this, the average price, obviously average formula will be looking at the only single cell that is available, because we have A4C4 and C4 does not have an item, so the result will be merely 70.672. Another way to find that is now to go to the formula, that is the if then else. For example, instead of using the average, let's display the one here. Let's display the same result here. So we could say, you could use if then else by simply identify the logical test that you want to do and the value to be displayed when the test is met, and the value to be displayed when the test is not met. In this case, let's say we want to find the average. We want the MS Excel to display the average of price 1 and price 2, but mark you, or you should notice price 2 is not indicated. So you could as well place an argumentative formula using the if logical test. So in this case, you'll just say, just like you start any other formula, you'll press start by equal to, then write if. So this is an example how to use if in this situation. If, and let me just use it here. So equal to if, and when you press is the MS Word gives you the steps you should follow. So the logical step you say we only wanted to write the average when price 2 has a value which is more than 0. So we'll say if f, I said f2 not when c2 and price 2. So if c2, no, c4 is greater than 0, then value. So with the if formula, once you write the comma, don't leave any space, otherwise the coding system next Excel will not accept the formula. So if C4 is greater than 0, the value to be displayed if true will be average. So you need just simply need the average of price 1 and price 2. So let's say price 1, 7. No, I don't have to write the content. Just write the cell reference F4, average of F4. And remember, with average, you just use commas. F4, C4. Yeah, average there. So then you just, of course, close it and then separate by a comma. Now, this is the value to be displayed. Assuming C4 is less than 0 or has nothing written on it, then simply the average price is price 1, like it was initially played before. So just only false is A4, and then of course you close your formula, and then I think it's okay. And of course the formula is here, it displays. That's all. That's how to use the if formula. You can compare many other situations, but the one that I wanted to use to show that if then else formula can also work the same way as the average formula is there. Of course, with the average, we just set it that you just use the equal sign and then average, and then identify the numbers. In this case, we have A4, which is the box, and the other average is C4, and then it should be the same number. Of course, it is the same number, 70.64. Okay, thanks for watching.